Imagine if you had a smart assistant that helped you plan your day, scope your projects, or even pulled you back on track when you got distracted. Not someday, right now. From clarity to focus to follow through, AI can help you manage it all. Let me show you how it works. Welcome back to our AI at Work series. This time, we're zooming in on something most teams struggle with. Your calendar's a mess, your priorities keep changing, and you're still expected to deliver. Here's how AI can actually help you. From scoping a project to organizing tasks to improving how your team works. These use cases are here to bring structure to the chaos. Let's jump in. So you've got a big project and not enough clarity, too many tasks, unclear deadlines, and lots of people involved. That's where AI becomes your project planner. You can type in, "I'm rolling out a new company website. Can you map out the main phases, key tasks, and rough timing, and call out any risks like delays?" Now your AI assistant breaks it into milestones, assigns tasks where it can, and surfaces red flags early. Let's follow up with, "Great, can you format this into something I can share with the team?" And now you got a clear path and everyone's on the same page. It's like having a project manager that never drops the ball. A quick heads up, we just launched a private community called Vibe Code Studio on School for people who want to learn how to build cool stuff with AI, with no prior coding skills required. We've got practical courses built for creators who want to ship real things, Q&A sessions, and a super supportive community of AI builders. Check out the link below, we'd love to see you inside. Some days you've got plenty to do, but no clear plan to do it. That's when AI becomes your deep work assistant. Let me show you how. Here's what's on my mind today. Help me block time for focus work and build a simple plan for today. It helps you pick top 3 priorities, separates deep work from quick wins, and maps out your day with focus blocks. Then you can follow up with, "Can you add a few tips to avoid distractions and stay focused?" And now you've got structured, clarity, and protected time to actually get things done. It's like having a focus coach who helps you protect your best hours. It's midday, you're distracted, context switching, and not sure what to do next. That's when AI becomes your productivity assistant. Let me show you how. Here's my task list. If I'm losing focus, remind me what to do next and help me restart. It quickly recaps what you were working on, suggests the next best step, and gives you a simple 3-step plan to get back on track. Now you can follow up with, "Can you also break that first task into smaller chunks?" And just like that, you've gone from scattered to focused in under a minute. It's like a gentle nudge that helps you reset and get moving again. And there you have it. 3 practical ways AI can help you manage your time, your focus, and your projects. If this gave you a new idea to try, drop a comment below and make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world AI use cases. I'll see you in the next one.